Hi guys, it's Sky. I'm back and I'm here today to do a really easy, simple makeup routine that I do every day for work. People ask me often, do I wear foundation? I do not. I will show you exactly what I do to get the results that you see. So here we go. This is my skin with no makeup on, nothing. So what I do is I first start with my Spray All Day Rose Water. I love it. Like I said in my previous video, all I do is spray it all over and then I rub it in. And then I will wait for it to dry. I don't wear foundation because I've tried every single one out there on the market and my skin just doesn't agree. So I tried many different lotions and things to try and help my skin. So this is the best thing I found to help. The next thing I'm gonna put on my face is this wonderful lotion. I haven't found anything else that's helped my face. So here we go. Long day. Sorry for my singing. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. We started. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. Okay, so we'll now let that dry. So now I'm going to use concealer. It's the only kind of face stuff I use. And I use the Maybelline Age Rewind. I love it. So I'm going to use my blending bud. As you can see, I've already used it. It's been a long day without you, friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you. We've come a long way from where we began. If you like my video, please subscribe down below and leave any comments, any questions, any more other videos that you would like me to do, anything. But please subscribe. And now I will put on my translucent powder. This is how I get the effect of wearing foundation. So I just use this one from Hard Candy. I just simply take my brush and put it all over my face. Just to give it that matte look, not the shiny look from wearing my lotion. And it works pretty well for my skin. I haven't had any complaints since then. Now I will move on to my eyes. So the colors I've been loving so much lately are from this palette from Unique. I honestly like it. I don't know about other people, but the colors are just gorgeous. So first I will start with my darkest color. Just go into the crease of my eye. Probably should have brought a little pocket mirror out here. So excuse if it looks a little messy. Then I will take another brush and use the lighter pink. And just go over like this. There. My eyes are done. Besides putting on my mascara. We'll get to that. And then I will put on some highlighter. Put a bit underneath my eyebrows. A little bit on the top of my nose. And on my lips. Now I will do my mascara. I've been using Bad Girl Bang. And I honestly like it. I've seen it on a few of my friends and it makes your eyelashes look wicked. This eye is always so much more of a pain. I think that should be good for now. And then I will finish with putting some lip gloss on by Escape. And then I will finish with the Spray All Day spray again, because you can also use it as a finishing spray. And there you go. My everyday makeup look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this quick, simple, everyday makeup look. I like it. As you can see, it kind of gives the impression that I have foundation on, but I don't. So hopefully this can help some of you ladies. If you have any questions, please comment below. And please subscribe if you like my video for more, so you always get updated when I post a video. Bye guys.